Check out these personalized laser engraved baby shower gifts. You can pause each photo if you want and check out how awesome they turned out. I ended up using 3 different lasers for these. This is the 40 watt CO2 galvo laser for wood, and the customer supplied these bamboo pieces. On the wooden box at the beginning, I used my 80 watt CO2 gantry laser, and for the metal spoon handles, I used my 50 watt JPT Fiber laser. These are all sped up for a time lapse. At the very last photo, after this plate, you can pause and see how well all of these pieces turned out.